Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? I have some more spoilers for you, and this time it's spoiler number 5 for the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of March. Now, if you're not already aware, fentybeauty is taking over Boxycharm in the month of March. So all premium subscribers only will receive 6 fentybeauty products in their box. Now, before we get into it, let me quickly remind you that the premium box is a $35 monthly subscription. You're going to get 6 to 7 beauty items every single month, and you'll be able to customize one item. Now, all new or returning subscribers will receive one of these free gifts. Make sure you use the correct corresponding code during checkout. Now, if you want more information on Boxycharm or how to subscribe, make sure you check out my link in the description below. And also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any spoilers or videos that I have for you. Now, let's get into the spoiler. Today on Boxycharm's Instagram, they released sneak peek number 5. This is the Mademoiselle Push Matte Lipstick, and you're going to receive one of these 6 beautiful shades. You have Candy Vernum, Single, Shoddy, PMS, Clapback, and Griselda. Now let's take a look at the other 4 spoilers in case you haven't seen them already. Sneak peek number 1 is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in Trophy Wife. I've been wanting to get my hands on this highlighter, and I can't believe it is in our box. Now, here's sneak peek number 2. They said they were giving us a palette, and that's definitely what it is. This is the Moroccan Spice Eyeshadow Palette. Look how beautiful these shades are. I'm so excited for this box. I can't even wait. And here's sneak peek number 3. This is the Gloss Bomb Universal Luminizer in Diamond Milk. And now here's sneak peek number 4. We will be receiving the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. You'll be receiving one of the 5 luminous shades. You have Rum, Chili Mango, Shimmer Confetti, Unicorn, Blonde. You can use it as a highlighter, a blush. Okay guys, so what do you think so far? I think everything looks pretty good. Now, what could be spoiler number 6? Well, we have a clue because Glamour Suzanne posted on her last video this picture. This is a survey that Boxycharm sends out to selective people. This was a few months back that she received it, and it looks like all the items so far look correct. So can the last sneak peek number 6 be the blotting paper? Who knows? Maybe Boxycharm will switch it up on us. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because as soon as I get updated information, because there's one more sneak peek out there, you're going to be the first to know. And also, my giveaway is still open. It will close on February 14th, so you still have time if you haven't participated. Make sure you check out the video in my description with all the rules and how to enter. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.